Let's take a look at different cooking oils. So the first thing would be to look at refined oils. These are generally oils we want to avoid. These are things that come from seeds like soybean oil, canola, cottonseed, corn oil. These are oils that aren't naturally coming from an oily or fatty food, so they're highly processed and refined. It takes a lot of steps to convert these oils, and so they can just be more inflammatory. Healthy fats that we want to focus on are things like ghee, coconut oil, olive oil, avocado oil, but these are not created equally and there's really a lot of options. So a couple of things to look for is you want to look for the words organic, virgin, cold pressed, or extra virgin olive oil. And you want to make sure that they are, if it's avocado oil or olive oil, having darker bottles is going to protect the oil versus clear bottles. Glass is probably a better option than plastic. And you can also look for words that say 100% pure. Also, don't be fooled by organic seed oils. Now, here's an example with coconut oil. You can find virgin coconut oil or refined. Choose virgin because this is going to be the purest